Hey, it's Chris, Doug, and we're here at C&H, and what are we doing today? You're getting your brand new Rough Country rolling hardcover. So we're going to be outside in a few seconds to show you that. Thanks. Hi, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories coming from our newest location here in Margate, Florida. And what do we have today? Well, we have one of the best reasonably priced rolling hardcover we put on a Ford Ranger. But before we get started, if you have questions, that is our telephone number, and we have great answers. So come on over here. By the way, Kim's behind the camera today, and this is my good friend, Doug. Now, Doug and I went to high school together, and also he's a member of the South Florida Truck Club, and this is his Ford Ranger, and this is one good-looking truck, and we said, you know what, Doug, you deserve the best. So today we're doing a Rough Country rolling hardcover, and we're going to go a couple cool things about it. So let me show you what this can do. First thing, this has a 5-year manufacturer warranty, which is near the higher ones here. It is a metal cover, and it is nice powder coated here. Now, one thing about this cover I like a lot is the weight capacity. You know what the weight capacity on this is? 600 pounds. That's right. This holds 600 pounds. This is going to be one of the strongest rolling hardcovers out there. So it's really at top of the line for that. Now, one thing you'll notice is when you check on the link for this and take you to the price on my website, you'll notice the price on this is a lot less than its competitors. Now I'm going to show you all the great things about this cover, and if there's any negatives, I'll mention that as well. So let's go in here. Now I do like the release mechanism here. So you got a nice little pull string here. Let's go ahead now. You can take a look how it works here. Now you see you got a nice big fat seal, and that's really good to keep a Mother Nature out. Now these are not submarines, so it's not going to keep every drop of water out, but they do a nice job with the seals here and in the front here. As you know, the Ranger has a little bigger gap between the bed caps and the bulkhead, so they give you a little fatter seal for that. So now this rolls here. So let's go ahead and roll it. By the way, the hardware for this is really quite neat, and it's really very strong. So now, remember I told you about the pros and cons, so let's talk about one of the negatives. This only opens all the way up, all the way closed. There's no in between. So if you were looking for something that stops in between, this does not do that. So that would be a negative, unfortunately. But the positive is when it's rolled up, you can still see out your back window. So, you know, when you use your mirror, you're not blocking your third brake light. So that's a really nice feature. Now, another feature on this rolling cover that most of its competitors do not have, this actually has a drainage system. So if you look over here, come on over here, take a look here. See all those little holes here? If any water was to get past this big seal, instead of going in the bed, it's going to catch it in here. And if you look here in the corners, you can see the tubes that drains the water out. So that's going to be better for water. Now, again, they're not waterproof, but having a drainage system makes it better. So now if you look over here, you can see this is your little strap. This is basically going to go around here. Now I'm going to kind of roll this out a little bit. I want you to see, I'm going to bring this out here. I want you to be able to see this, but this is going to come around that, and you're just kind of lock it in there like that. So now normally I would roll this up, but for you to see what we're doing, and I find that actually one of the easier ones to use, by the way. Now the open and close, look at that. How's that for easy? So opening, easy, closing, even easier. This is a great setup. I like this a lot. I mean, with the 600-pound weight capacity, 5-year manufacturer warranty, it looks great. I mean, I like the powder coated finish on here, and you can't really go wrong with the price. That's a really nice bang for the buck. Now, if you like this, again, you can call us at the store. We can go ahead and install it for you. And we do put a 1-year labor guarantee on anything we install, or we can ship it anywhere around the country. So either way, we got you covered. So again, I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories, and this is a review of the Rough Country rolling hardcover on the Ford Ranger. And don't forget, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.